So you don't know?
I'm not feeling good. I just filmed and edited the Virginia. Yeah.
So they work like at the embassy or something.
Oh, my eyes hurt now. But yeah, this is controller kind of congested. Hello. Goodbye. But, so this is about fidget spinner giveaway. Okay. All you need to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, and put in what color fidget spinner you would like. Yep. So this will occur when I hit 100 subscribers. And also, when I hit 100 subscribers, I tell everybody my crush. So that's another reason why you should subscribe. And after you find out my crush, you can talk with me and them as much as you want. There's no rules against it, so. But yeah, so many people are trying to say, oh man, I just subscribed, give me a fidget spinner, now, I subscribed. I said, no, you have to give me 100 subscribers, and then I'll give you the fidget spinners. I think that'll be like a major thing, like every single milestone I'll do a fidget spinner giveaway, but yeah, so hope you guys are enjoying this video. Oh man, I feel like poop. I feel like poop. Poopy. Oh, can I just get like a poop emoji right there? Yeah. Oh, and there goes my charger. Yep. Okay, yay, my phone's charging. Okay, I just woke up from a nap. Again. Oof. So, yeah, hope you guys subscribe and so you can be entered in that fidget spinner giveaway. See you guys next time. Goodbye.